Welcome to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. I am Abhilasha teacher teaching you grade 4 science. In previous session we have learned lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. In that we have seen the forms of energy. Now today we are going to learn new points from the same lesson. Let us see the board. Lesson number 4, force, work and energy. Let us recall some points from previous session. In previous session we have learned about energy. In that we have seen forms of energy. Let us see in detail forms of energy. Heat energy, light energy, electrical energy. These are some forms of energy we have seen in last session. Heat energy we get from burning fuel. Heat energy we get from burning fuel. It is used to cook food and run cars and trains. The sun keeps earth warm. Example: sun, wood, gas and petrol. Heat energy we get from the sun. Light energy, it is used to see. Plant use light energy for photosynthesis. Electrical energy, it is used for heating and lighting. Used for running electrical gadgets. Electrical energy used for running electrical gadgets such as computer, refrigerators, fan and television. Now let us learn source of energy. In this session we are going to learn about source of energy. Source of energy. Some of the main source of energy are the sun, moving air, moving water and fuel. These are some source of energy. Means we get the energy from this. Once again I will read: the sun, moving air, moving water and fuel. Let us learn in detail. First, the sun. The sun is our main source of energy. Yes, everybody knows that the sun is main source of energy. We get energy from sun, or plants also get energy from sun. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Once again I will read: the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. The sun gives us heat and light energy. Sun gives us heat and light energy. Yes, it comes in a form of sunlight. Means earth get energy, or when the sun rays falls, it is in a form of sunlight. The solar energy is used to produce electricity in solar cell. See, the sunlight is falls on a solar panel, and that afterwards it is converted into the electrical energy. Means the sunlight means the energy of sun is converted into the electrical energy, and we get electricity from the sun. The heat from the sun is used for solar cooker or solar water heater. Yes, just now you have seen the energy of a sun can produce electricity, like it is helpful for cooking food also and for water heater also. The first image is of solar cooker. With the help of solar cooker we can prepare a food, and second picture is solar water heater. With the help of solar water heater we can heat the water. The plant use light from the sun to make food. Yes, everybody knows, in the last session also we have seen this. The sun is used, the plants use light from the sun to make food. Means for the photosynthesis the light is used. When we eat food we get energy to do work. Yes, this also we have seen that if we will eat food we will get the energy. So we depend on the sun for energy. Yes, from the sun plants get light or energy. They will produce the food, and that food we are eating. So we are depend on the sun, or plants also depend on the sun. So it is very important for us. Now we will move to our second point, that is moving air. Moving air is called wind. Wind energy is used to turn windmills. Yes, that moving air is called wind. From that energy is produced, that called wind energy, and that energy is used to turn windmills. That pictures is of windmills. Windmills turn other machines and help to generate electricity. With the help of windmills it will turn other machines on and helps to generate electricity. You can see in this picture how electricity will produce. First, the wind from the windmill. In the windmill, the wind turbines are there. When that fan will on with the help of wind, or with the help of that wind, the fan will move. That time, that wind turbines on, and afterwards it transfer to the generator, and from that generator it will transfer to transformer. And from that transformer it goes to the national grid. From national grid to the distribution, and that distribution is distribute the electricity to our homes. Now we'll see about moving water. Water is also used to generate electricity. Just now we have seen with the help of wind we can produce electricity. Like this, from moving water also we can generate electricity. Dams are built to allow the water to fall from height onto the machines. Yes, see this picture. With the help of flowing water, the turbines will on and it will produce or generate electricity. This machine helps to generate electricity. Yes, just now you have seen in the picture there are some machines which helps to generate electricity. Now fourth one is fuel. Any substance which on burning produce lots of heat is called fuel. Once again I will read. Any substances which on burning produces lot of heat is called fuel. Fuel such as coal, oil, gas, petrol, these are excellent source of energy. Just now you have seen that coal, petrol, oil and gas are excellent source of energy. They have energy stored in them. This energy can be released by burning them. Yes, we have to burn that energy, then only it will produce. So we have to burn that source. Machines are run by burning fuels. Machines are run by burning fuels. Fuels are also used to run cars, heat home, to cook food and many more things. For household purpose, fuels can be obtained by burning fuel. Means to cook food we have to burn fuel. However, the burning fuel also pollute the air. Yes, because we are burning the fuel, from that because of that the pollution can be occur. Let us quick review of source of energy. The sun, moving air, moving water and fuel is some source of energy. The energy we get from sun is called solar energy. Moving air is called wind energy. Moving water is used in dam to generate electricity. Fuels are used for many things. Now we completed our lesson number 4. Let us review all the points from the first. Force. Push or pull the object is force. If you apply force to the object, it will move or stop. Kinds of force. The force of friction, the force of gravity. Yes, the force means to pull or push the object. If you want to stop the object, you have to apply force, or if you want to move the object, that time also you have to use force. There are some kinds of force. Those are the force of friction and the force of gravity. Friction. It occurs when two objects rub. The friction is more on a rough surface. The friction is less on a smooth surface. It is the action of rubbing surface and object. You have seen the example of car and carpet. When you will run the car on a carpet, that time the friction occur in car as well as in the carpet. Gravity. It is a force of attraction. It acts on all objects on the earth. It holds the object on the earth. Because of gravity, the objects are held on the earth. Then we have seen about the work. When you use force, you do work. Means when you apply the force, that time you do work. Work is depend on force. If you use more force, you do more work. If you have to pick and light object, you do less work. Yes, here also we have seen the example of book and table. If we want to pull the book, that time we need less force and means we done less work. But when we want to pull or push table, that time we have to use more force. That time we can say the more work done. Next we have seen about simple machine. Those are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. These are some simple machine. Lever. It is used to cut things, lift weight, open lids. Yes, lever is used for cut things, lift weight and open lids. Examples: scissor, bottle opener are example of lever. Pulley. It consists of wheel with a rope. It helps to lift bucket from well. It also helps to lift heavy objects. Wheel and axle. It having circular object called wheel and rod is called axle. It attached to its center. It helps object move easily. Example: door knobs and screwdriver. Inclined plane. It have sloping surface. It helps to move object up and down easily. Example: playground slide is an example of inclined plane. Screw. It looks like a nail with a groove around it. It helps to hold things together. Wrapped around central rod. It is an example of inclined plane. And last machine was wedge. It consists of sharp edge made by two inclined planes. It is used to cut objects. Example: knives and eggs. Next we have seen about energy. Energy is ability to do work. We need energy to perform activity. It is also required to change the states of matter. All machines run on energy. Yes, if we want to do work, we need energy, or for any work we need energy, or other means like for example plants also need energy. Even for the change the state of matter it requires energy. For machines also it requires energy. Forms of energy. There are some forms of energy. Those are heat energy, light energy, electrical energy. These are some forms of energy. Let us see in detail. Heat energy we get from burning fuel. Yes, heat energy we get when we burn the fuel. It is used to cook food and run cars and trains. The sun keeps earth warm. Example, sun, wood, gas and petrol are good source of heat energy. Light energy. It is used to see. Plant use for photosynthesis. Light energy is used by the plants for the photosynthesis. Electrical energy. It is used for heating and lighting. It is used for running electrical gadgets. Examples, computer, refrigerator, fan and television. Yes, these gadgets can run with the help of electrical energy. Now, source of energy. The sun, moving air, moving water and fuel are some source of energy. We get energy from those. Let us see in detail. The sun. It is main source of energy. The sun energy is called solar energy. It gives us heat and light energy. When we eat food, we get energy. Yes. Next, moving air. It is called wind energy. It is used to turn windmills. Windmills turn other machines and helps to generate electricity. Yes, with the help of moving air we can generate electricity with the help of windmills. Moving water. Water is used to generate electricity. Yes, the moving water, with the help of moving water also we can generate electricity. Dams are built to allow water fall from height onto the machines. Means from the height the water will fall on the machine and it will help to generate electricity. Yes, this machine helps to generate electricity. Fuel. Energy stored in them. Yes, in the fuel the energy is stored. It released by burning them. When we will burn the fuel, that time only it will release energy. Machines are run by burning fuel. It is used to run cars, heat home and to cook. Example of fuels are coal, oil, gas and petrol. I hope you understood the topic. Now we will solve some questions. It is there in your book on the page number 34. The dash is simple machine that consists of wheel with a rope around it. Yes, the dash in the bracket pulley or wheel and axle is simple machine that consists of wheel with a rope around it. Yes, what will be the answer? Which simple machine is having wheel with a rope around it? Yes, the pulley is simple machine that consists of wheel with a rope around it. Next, the in brackets screw or wedge is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Yes, who is having inclined plane wrapped around a rod? Screw. Yes, the screw is an example of inclined plane that wrapped around a rod. Now next, the energy that we get from the sun or wind is called solar energy. Yes, what will be the answer? Just now we have seen. Yes, the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. I hope you have understood this question also. Now we'll see one video.
Sources of energy. The sun is our main source of energy. Plants use light energy from the sun to make food. They in turn provide energy for all other living things. We also depend very heavily on fuels like coal, petroleum, oil and gas as sources of energy. However, these fuels are only available on the earth in limited quantities. If we do not use them carefully, these will very soon run out. We can save our fuel reserves by making sure lights and fans are switched off when not in use.
Yes, now you have understood the sources of energy and how we have to save the energy. Yes, let us read the lesson that is source of energy. Open page number 33.
Sources of energy. Some of the main sources of energy are as follows. The sun. The sun is our main source of energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. The sun gives us heat and light energy. Plants use light from the sun to make food. When we eat food, we get energy to do work. So, we depend on the sun for energy. Moving air. Moving air is called wind. Wind energy is used to turn windmills. The windmills turn other machines and help to generate electricity. Moving water. Water is also used to generate electricity. Dams are built to allow the water to fall from a height onto machines. These machines help to generate electricity. Fuels. Fuels such as coal, oil, gas and petrol are excellent sources of energy. They have energy stored in them. This energy can be released by burning them. Machines are run by burning fuels. Fuels are also used to run cars, to heat homes, to cook, and for many other things. However, burning of fuels also pollutes the air.
So today we completed our lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. You go through the lesson thoroughly. If you have doubt, just underline hard words. In next session we are going to solve the exercise. Thank you.